Dear students, once again all you are most welcome. In my previous video, we discussed the problems related to spherical mirror. Today, we are going to discuss the problems related to spherical lens. So, the topic is today numericals related to spherical lens. The first question is an object of height 4 centimeter is placed at a distance 24 centimeter in front of a convex lens of focal length 8 centimeter. Find the position and size of the image. This is the question. First we write what is given in the question. Okay? Given an object of height 4 centimeter. This is object height and we represent object height by the symbol small h. Okay, so h is equal to 4.0 centimeter is placed at a distance 24 centimeter in front of convex lens. This is object distance and we represent it by u. So u, and u is always negative. U is equal to minus 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter in front of convex lens of focal length 8 centimeter. Focal length f, device is convex lens and sign of focal length for the convex lens is always positive. So f is equal to 8 centimeter. Find the position and size of the image. Find the position. Position means V. Question mark. And size of the image. How we represent size of the image? H dash. So H dash is question mark. Okay. To get the image distance, we apply the lens formula. We know lens formula is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. 1 upon f, f is 8, 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is minus 24. Okay, so 1 upon 8 is equal to 1 upon b minus minus plus 1 upon 24. Okay, so 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 24 is equal to 1 upon v. Now 1 upon v is equal to, we take LCM 24, 8 3 are 24. So 3, 24 1 minus 1 equal to 2 by 24 or v is equal to 24 by 2 is equal to 12 centimeter. So this is the position of image. We will get the position of image at the distance of 12 centimeter. Second part, size of the image. We know m is equal to h dash upon h is equal to v by u. Magnification formula for the lens, complete magnification formula for the lens, m is equal to h dash upon h is equal to v by u. Okay. Therefore, h dash upon h is equal to v by u. H dash, value of h 4 centimeter is equal to v 12 centimeter and u minus 24. Minus 24. So h dash is equal to 4 into 12 upon minus 24. 2 to the 4. So h dash is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay. So size of image. The size of image is 2 centimeter. And here sign is negative. So size of image is 2 centimeter and it is inverted. Yes. Now question number 2. I read question number 2. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter in front of a concave lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Find first the position of image, second the size of image in relation to the object. Okay, student. So first we read carefully the question. Okay, then we write the given. So I prepare the given now. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. Now very clear. This is object distance and we denoted by u. So u is minus 10 centimeter. In front of a concave lens. Yes, the device is concave lens. And focal length 10 centimeter. Okay. F 10 centimeter plus or minus. Device is concave lens and you know sign of focal length for the concave lens is negative. So we write here minus 10 centimeter. Find the position of image. V question mark. Okay. We know length formula 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Very simple. We write the length formula and keep the given values. Okay. So 1 upon minus 10 is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon minus 10. Okay. Therefore minus 1 upon 10, 1 upon v plus 1 upon 10 and minus 1 upon 10. We transfer this one this side. Minus 1 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon v. Therefore 1 upon v is equal to 10 minus 1 and minus 1. So 1 upon v is equal to minus 2 upon 10. Therefore v is equal to 10 minus 2 is equal to minus 5 centimeter. So question was the position of image, that we get minus 5 centimeter. This means the position of image is in front of the concave lens. Minus sign indicates that position of image is in front of the concave lens. Second question, the size of image in relation to the object. Here object height is not given, but you have to tell the size of image in relation to the object. you have to compare the size of image with object. Once again, we write the magnification formula for the lens. We write complete magnification formula for the lens. That one, m is equal to h dash upon h is equal to v by u. Therefore, h dash upon h is equal to v by u. Are you all clear? H dash, height of the image, h, height of the object, v, image distance, u, object distance. Put the values. H dash upon h is equal to v minus 5 and u minus 10. Minus finish. So we get 1 by 2. H dash upon h is equal to 1 by 2. H dash refers to height of the image, size of the image, and h refers to the size of the object. So what will we conclude? That size of the image is half the size of the object. So we can write the size of image. So your answer will be size of image is half the size of object. Yes. Now, question number 3. I read it. A convex lens forms an erect and 3 times magnified image of an object placed at a distance 10 centimeter in front of it. Find first part, the position of image. Second, the focal length of the lens. Okay. Once again we write given device is convex lens forms an erect and 3 times magnified. 3 times magnified means magnification is given m. Erect means positive. So m is equal to 3 plus 3. Okay. A convex lens forms an erect and 3 times magnified image of an object placed at a distance 10 centimeter. This one is the object distance. So u minus 10 centimeter. Find first part, the position of image. Position of image means v. So v question mark. Yes, we write magnification formula for the lens. Okay. M is equal to h dash upon h is equal to v by u. Or m is equal to v by u. Given m is equal to 3, so we write here 3 v u minus 10. Therefore, v is equal to minus 30 centimeter. V means image distance minus 30 centimeter. You will write that image is formed at the distance of 30 centimeter in front of the lens. Minus sign indicates that image is formed in front of the lens. So you will write in words also. The image is formed at the distance of 30 centimeter in front of the lens. Now, second part, the focal length of the lens. So we write the lens formula. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Okay. 1 upon v, that is minus 30 minus 1 upon u minus 10. So we simplify, minus 1 upon 30 plus 1 upon 10. We take LCM, 30 minus 1 plus 3, 2 by 13. So 1 upon f. Therefore, f is equal to 30 by 2 is equal to 15 centimeter. So, the focal length of convex lens is 15 centimeter. Question number 4. I read question number 4. The power of a lens is plus 2.0b. Find its focal length and state the kind of the lens. We have earlier talked about the power of lens. Power of lens is defined as the reciprocal of its focal length, p is equal to 1 upon f. So we will use that formula. Okay. Given power of lens, we denote power by p. P is equal to plus 2.0d. Find its focal length. F question mark and kind of the lens. Okay. P is equal to 1 upon f, or f is equal to 1 upon p. So 1 upon 2 is equal to 0.5 meter, or we can write 50 centimeter. Another part of the question is the kind of lens. So what is the kind of lens? You are having focal length positive, obviously. Power of lens, kind of lens is convex lens. So you will write the lens is convex since focal length is positive. And you can also say that power is positive. Yes. Now question number 5. Two thin lenses are in contact and the focal length of the combination is 80 centimeter. If the focal length of one lens is 20 centimeter, then calculate the power of the other lens. Yes. Let me remind you about the power of combination of the lenses. Yes. If P1, P2, P3 having the power of lenses are kept in contact, then resultant power will be the sum of the algebraic sum of individual power of the lenses. That we know P is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3 and so on. So we will use this formula here. Okay. So first write we given two thin lenses in contact and the focal length of the combination. Resultant focal length is given. Suppose the resultant focal length is denoted by F. So F is equal to 80 centimeter. And there are two thin lenses. One lens 20 centimeter. So we can write this one F1. F1 is equal to 20 centimeter and F2 question mark. Then calculate the power of the other lens. We will calculate the power of other lens when we get the focal length of the other lens. We know P is equal to P1 plus P2, or we can write 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon F1 plus 1 upon F2. We can write it. Keeping the values, 1 upon 80 is equal to 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon F2. Okay. So 1 upon 80 minus 1 upon 20 is equal to 1 upon F2. 1 upon F2, 80 20 LCM, 80, 81 80, 1 minus 24 80 minus 4 is equal to minus 3 by 80. Therefore, F2 is equal to minus 80 by 3 centimeter. Or we can change it into meter by dividing 100. Minus 80 by 300, 4, 5. This overall becomes minus 4 upon 15 meter. Question is calculate the power of the other lens. So once again, P is equal to 1 upon F, and here F means 1 upon F2, and that value should be in meter, and already I have changed in meter. So 1 upon value of F2 minus 4 upon 15, overall minus 15 upon 4, so minus 4 3 ja 12, okay, 3 30, 4 7 ja 28, 2 20, 4 5 ja 20 diopter. So your answer is the value of power of other lens is minus 3.75 D or diopter. Thus we expect from your side that these questions will help you in solving the NCERT questions also. Thanks.